Hey, what up? Eddy04 here, and today we'll learn how to add new games into our Moonlight gaming library. So in this video, we'll do both. Add commercial or freeware games into our Moonlight gaming library so that we can access it or stream it to any other supported device. Now, we will need these three things. Obviously, a game stream ready PC with Moonlight installed, also the game files that we're going to be using, and our device that we are going to be using for streaming the game into. So after the games are installed in your gaming stream machine, we will need to go to our NVIDIA GeForce Experience app. Now, Moonlight's default feature is to detect the games and load them by using the NVIDIA Shield drivers. So for that, we'll need to add them to the stream library for NVIDIA Experience instead of actually going to Moonlight and load NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Now, as you can see here, this is the little icon for NVIDIA GeForce. You want to go ahead and right click on it. Do not choose control panel. What we want to use is NVIDIA GeForce Experience. So the first thing you'll notice is that when you get into games and apps, these are going to be the games that have been auto-detected. Now, the tricky thing though is that not all the games are actually supported or will show up here, even though you might have more games installed. So it's okay, it won't show all the apps, it won't show all the games, but that is fine. So what you want to do is go to the upper right section where the settings option is, or the little gear up there, and then you want to go ahead and choose the shield option. Now, game stream ready games are actually not supported right off the box. There's just a few games, and I do not know the list of all of them. You can actually go ahead and click where it says view all game stream ready games, and this will show you a list of all the games that are supported. Or you can go ahead and check the link in the description below. So all the games which are not supported will need to be added manually. Now for that, just go to the lower right section where it says add. Go ahead and click add. And from here, we want to search for our game and find the executable file that we're going to be using. So this time I'm going to be adding Overwatch. Now, if we go to our game stream PC, we'll notice that we just have a few games here, right? Don't Starve Together, Fortnite, Now Returning Just Turn 4, The Division 2. So we're going to be adding Overwatch even though it's not actually added into the list in the Moonlight. We have it installed, but it's not showing up properly here in Moonlight. So we're going to go ahead and choose the executable, and that's it. You have successfully added a game into your Moonlight gaming library. Just wait a few seconds, and now we have Overwatch launcher showing up here. But there's a bonus actually, because I know I'm kind of picky, and I don't like seeing my games that way, not in my gaming library. So we want to make it look real good, like real good. You know what I mean? So what we're going to do is go ahead and go to any browser of your preference, and we're going to download the box art for this game. In this case, I've looked for Overwatch box art, and I kind of like this one here. So I'm going to go ahead and download this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the NVIDIA and select the game that we want to change. I'm going to go ahead and click on edit, just because that's how I am. And we're just going to go ahead and change the name, Overwatch, and I'm going to change the box art. And we're going to use the file that we just downloaded. We're going to go ahead and click on done. And now we're going to go back to our Moonlight library, and if we wait a few seconds, we'll have our Overwatch loaded with the proper box art shown up here. I hope this video was helpful, and if you do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And that's about it. Now, you don't want to miss the following video, where you're going to learn how to set up your Moonlight Game Stream Ready PC. You can check out the video right here. Thanks for watching. This is Eddy04. See you on the next one.